Howdy. I think we have to talk a bit about weather, and the reason for why I make this video is that I realized that in a way I got excited about what I found, and it has to do with sulfur. Maybe not in the form we see it here, but anyway, with sulfur SO2. And the reason for this is that area. I made some observations about this area some time ago already, and it hasn't been that well visible recently, but now it just popped up again. And if we just play this a bit forward, as you can see, it just stays around the same area. Which stretches from here and here. And it goes along that river, which is the Ohio River. And I also learned very recently, a few minutes ago, that the Ohio River is joining the, what was it again? Allegheny River or something. And the other river, which is also very hard to pronounce, they are meeting in Pittsburgh. This is the other river. Monongahela. So the thing is, I think it is this river more than the other, or this riverbed, Allegheny, or however you pronounce that, that is related to sulfur emissions. There are some mining areas in the region. I don't know, maybe this is one. Yeah, it looks like. This could be basically one reason for why we have those sulfur emissions amongst this river. And we have also New York is included in this cloud, which is coming from this area itself. Now, this is a forecast, so it's, I don't know how reliable, but we cannot go back more than a few hours, which is a pity. And obviously, you can see it by yourself. It is predicted to stay in the same area. That's amazing. I mean, the question is that natural SO2 emissions or human-made SO2 emissions? If we go to now, we have near Pittsburgh, Steubenville, East Liverpool. So now this is Steubenville. Is there anything mining? That's a hill. Really? Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, this looks like rather interesting geology here. I don't know. Rather hilly, seems to me. Maybe solar panels or something, I don't know. Huh. Yeah, this might also be totally natural, these SO2 emissions, because this geology here looks very interesting. I don't know, is this karst area? Is this clay area? And I was about to read about the Ohio River, major river artery of the east central United States, formed by the confluence of the Allegheny River and Monongahela rivers at Pittsburgh. It flows northwest out of Pennsylvania, then in a general southwesterly direction to join the Mississippi River in Cairo, Illinois. Yeah, but we are talking about the northern part, so more about the Allegheny River. Let's click on that. Maybe we get wiser. Maybe not. Rising. River rising in the hilly plateau region of Potter County, Pennsylvania. The river enters New York State, where the Allegheny Reservoir is impounded at Allegheny State Park, Potter County. Yeah, but I want to know something about the geology of the thing. Plateau, generally sloping towards the streams, hardwood forest, discovery of coal. All right, that sounds interesting. Natural gas. Haha. So, I guess the SO2 emissions are natural because if there's coal and natural gas and stuff like that, then we might see some, if there is some telluric current increase or something, more energy flowing within the ground, as I've been talking about in mountain water paper and all those videos, that the river is an actual electrical part of nature. They are very big carriers of energy, and what you see is just a tiny bit of the whole thing. So, there might be some increase in the charge below the ground, which then releases SO2 amongst this river. And if it does so in a fair amount or something, it could have really influence on the weather because there is more SO2 in the atmosphere, so it seems to be much more conductive, and therefore it can carry much more energy, which usually means bad weather. But anyway, this is just something I found on Windy. And you can go there and watch for yourself. It seems really to stay in the same area, even in the forecast. But yeah, that's just a forecast. That's not really reliable. Yeah, but I think that's an interesting thing. Maybe we have to keep an eye on the weather in this region particularly, because maybe if there would be some tornadoes or whatever in that exact area and we have also the sulfur, they could get rather strong. So, I don't know. Hopefully, there's nothing like that going on in the next few days. But anyway, we'll see. Thanks. Bye.